Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use the AI image generator and add it to your Canva design. So here, what you need to do is open the Canva apps and then open the designing page like this. Then click on the plus icon at the bottom. Go to the Elements tab and then here scroll down and you'll find AI image generator. So to generate your own image, you can just click on this plus icon. Now just write or describe the image that you want to generate. So for example, a cat eating fish in a dining table, for example. Okay, now click on generate image and just wait for the results to come out. So as you guys can see here, the images will start showing up one by one. So what you need to do is just select the image that you want to use. I'm going to use the first one here. Click on the image and it will be added to the design. If you want to make it a background, just click on the image here and fit the size. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.